SunPower's bankruptcy has left a lot of us in the dark on what happens next, especially when it comes to warranties and monitoring. So today, I'm going to break down what's really going on, how you can transfer your warranty, and why the SunPower Monitoring App still works. If you're feeling as lost as I am, but want answers from someone who's been in the solar game for a long time, stick with me, I've got you covered.
Residential solar companies in America might be on the verge of shutting down.
Solar company SunPower announced it will essentially not take any new customers.
Another major solar company shutters its doors after filing for bankruptcy.
So SunPower filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy. This does not mean your solar is going to automatically stop working. Your solar is going to continue to work. So the number one thing is to alleviate those fears that anything is happening to your system that wasn't before. You're going to wake up, as long as the sun is out, your system is still going to be producing. There's not like a software update that's magically shutting anyone's system down. So you are good to go. Your solar is going to be working the same way it was before you got any of this information that SunPower filed Chapter 11. Now, if you look at, this is my home. We're in my basement right now with my power walls and my solar, and there's been a lot of confusion around the SunPower app, and rightfully so. SunPower sent out an email that we'll put on the side of the screen that caused confusion that it felt like from reading that email, if you were a customer, that the app was going to shut down. Then 24 hours later, they sent a clarification email out saying the app is not shutting down. But I will read you off the top of my app of what it says. As part of SunPower's wind down, customers are no longer able to receive customer support through the app. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. For more information and additional support, please visit sunpower.com. So what should you do when you see this? Just exit out, because what you could do is you call us. We've never used that feature, and our customers haven't used that feature through the SunPower app. What that means is if there was something wrong with your solar, you could put a support ticket in to fix your solar through the app. So that's what's happening. The app is still going to work. My app is still functioning. My solar is still producing. It's a crummy day out right now. I'm producing 0.9 kW. So there's nothing to worry about when it comes to the app not working. The only thing that they took away was being able to put support tickets through the app. So I just wanted to make sure we started off with that, because that would be one of the most important things for me, making sure that the app was continuing to work. And all indications that we've got, they're going to continue with that app. And if anything changes, we will know and we'll transfer that information to our customers. But right now, the only thing they did is take support tickets away through the app. So to summarize what's going on with the app, the one thing you have to know is the only thing that's changing is you cannot put in service tickets through the SunPower app. If you need service on your system, reach out to your installing dealer. That's the only thing that's changed on there. So cannot put in service tickets through your app. Go directly to the installer that installed your SunPower system and reach out to them and they could help you. So now that we went through the monitoring app and addressed the concerns there, the next thing I want to go into is the warranty. So I'm going to do a screen share on my computer. We're also going to link everything below so you could access this information. The thing to know with this bankruptcy is that all of the manufacturers are going to honor the product warranty. So one of the most important things is to know who to go to for each part that needs to be addressed. If it's a microinverter, it's Enphase. If it's a Maxeon panel, it's Maxeon. If it's an REC, it's REC. At New York State Solar Farm, we will help our customers and guide them through this process. If you're not installed by us, the links below should help you in navigating that, or your installing dealers should be your main point of contact in going through that. But let's dive into the first one, Enphase microinverter warranty. Enphase will continue to honor the terms of the product warranty for Enphase microinverters used in SunPower solar systems and ensure product availability to service warranty claims as well as support of expansion of systems at this time. So that's great that Enphase is taking over the warranty for the microinverter. All right, so we went through the end phase warranty. The next one is Maxion. So I'm gonna read directly off of SunPower's site, so it's coming directly from them. If you own a SunPower system that includes SunPower branded panels that are manufactured by Maxion Technologies, Maxion will meet its warranty obligations for these solar panels at this time. To learn more about how Maxion will provide a warranty support for your SunPower branded solar panels, please visit here. So if you go on this site directly, you could register your new warranty with your Maxion panel. So we'll link that below where you could just put in your information and link that. If you're a customer of ours, we take care of that for our customers. But if you're not, this is a great spot. It's like a couple minutes to fill that out. There's nothing crazy there, and then you're good to go. The next thing is if you have REC Pure R solar panels, REC Solar will honor the terms of the product warranty for the REC 420 Pure R solar panels used in SunPower solar systems to service accepted warranty claims at this time. If you have any further questions, email here. So you can get all of these contacts directly off SunPower's site if you want to inquire about anything. So after REC, you could see here that there's Q-Cells product performance warranty. So if you have Q-Cells panels through SunPower, they're covering the warranty. If you have Fronius IG inverters through SunPower, they're covering the warranty. So all of this information is listed directly out on their website. We also made a blog post on our website that will link below that maybe you'll have helpful information, but most of our information is dictated through here. And we're also listing how we're dealing with this as a company for our customers directly. So we went through the app to show that the app is still going to be running. You just can't put in service tickets through there. We've also listed out the different manufacturers that are taking over the product warranty for each of them. The number one thing to know here is to reach out to the installer that you worked with when going solar. If it was SunPower directly, you have all of the resources on this page. If it was a local installer, reaching out to them, and they could help you in getting the information that you need. But this is a tremendously frustrating time for us as the installer, for you as the homeowner. And the number one thing we want to do is support our customers. And if we could help by supporting other customers with this information, we just want to be an asset. It's been tough to get information from SunPower. The emails that they've sent out have always needed a clarification email after it, it feels like. So we're in this with you, and we're tremendously frustrated as well. But if we could be a help in getting these resources out there, that's what we want to do. So below, we are going to link all of this SunPower information. We're going to link a blog post, and thank you so much for sticking around, and hopefully this was helpful to you.